Welcome to the Brotherhood of the Briar. I'm the Dapper Codger, Greg Hoggarth from South Carolina. Today is December 25th, 2025, and I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm going to talk to you today about how I smoke twist tobacco, also known as rope tobacco. So I'll show you my methods. There's other methods, but I'll show you what works well for me. I've got with me today some Gawith, Hoggarth and Company Black Irish X and Brown Irish X. You can order this in by the ounce, and it can come in longer lengths. Got some in a jar here. And if you haven't had this stuff is really good. It's pretty strong and it's very moist, so you have to let it dry out some. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the bag here. There is some twist tobacco. This is the Black Irish X. And you could take a knife, and cut off some of this. But what I like to do is just go ahead and smoke this like a cigar. I'm kidding. I like to take a cigar cutter, basically, like this. And I just go ahead and put this through my cigar cutter. So I just cut off a slice, basically as thin as I can. A little coin. And you can actually take this, put it in the corner of your mouth and chew on it, like chewing tobacco, and just spit. And I've actually tried that. It's pretty potent that way. But what I'll do is just cut a few more of these. I'll probably do 3 of them for a bowl. And then I will go ahead and rub this out. Now I'm going to go ahead and let that dry out for about 2 hours. It is extremely moist, and if I tried smoking it now, it just wouldn't stay lit. So while I'm waiting on that to dry, I am going to open up a can, it is Christmas Day after all, of 2004 McClelland's Christmas Cheer. I picked this up recently at an estate sale a couple months ago, and I've been waiting. It's Christmas Day. This is 21 years old. (2004). I don't know if you can see that. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right. Oh, yeah. I know sometimes these old McClellands can be a little dry, so it's possible that I may have to rehydrate this. Ah, it smells great. It's actually fine moisture content. Look at that. Gonna go ahead and fire some of that up. And we did last night at my parents' house, we did Christmas Eve, and one of my daughter's boyfriends, smart guy, bought me for Christmas a new Savinelli Trevi pipe, the nickel band, rusticated, black, acrylic stem, bent billiard. And I smoked it last night when I got home, and really nice. So kudos to him. He's a keeper for my daughter, huh? So I'm going to pack up some of this McClelland Christmas Cheer 2004 in my new Savinelli. This McClelland's is a straight Virginia flake. Here goes. Give it a good charring light. And give it a true light. I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to smoke on this while I'm waiting for my Gawith, Hoggarth and Company Black Irish X to dry out some, and then I'll come back and fire that up. That, by the way, smokingpipes.com says that the Black Irish X is a Virginia that's mostly fire cured. They don't say it, but I wouldn't doubt if there's some burley in there. I just say that because it's got, you get a bit of a nick hit with it, and it's also got kind of a little bit of a nutty flavor, but it says it's a Virginia. Well, it's been a couple of hours. Got the Gawith, Hoggarth and Company Black Irish X in my Costello pipe, and it's delicious. That McClelland Christmas Cheer from 2004 is amazing. The age on that, I'll be smoking on that the next few days, just really enjoying it. It's been a couple of hours. I packed this just like I normally would pack a pipe, and it's burning good now. My wife and I, we went across the street for about an hour, went fishing in South Carolina on December 25th. Today it is 74 degrees and sunny. It's so beautiful. In South Carolina, you just don't know. You can get all 4 seasons in 1 week, and I'm not exaggerating. But it's a beautiful day today. So Merry Christmas to you. I appreciate you joining me today. Until next time, thanks for joining me on the Brotherhood of the Briar.